Hi, I'm Sherry here at the Little Beading Closet, and today I have the brand new PotomacBeads Treasure Edition subscription box. Let's look inside and see what kind of inspiration we're going to find. Oh my gosh, here we go. Looks like it's well packaged in this beautiful aqua padded envelope. Let's see what's inside. Ooh. Got a little sneak peek. We have a box in here and some papers. Let's pull it out. And it came with some padding. Looks like a PotomacBead shopping bag. That was a little surprise. Perfect. You can use that. Here it is. Let's open it up and see what it comes with. It has two magnets, a little flap here. Right here on top is a card that's going to give you information about what's in the box. And I'm telling you right now, I'm already so excited. Let me give you a sneak peek what's inside here. I just want to point out that there's containers in it. I love being organized in these beautiful colors. We'll take them out one by one, check it all out. This is really beautiful. I can't wait. Let's see. I'm going to go ahead and pull out the bag that has those little containers and a lot of other things. A lot. And then also a bag with some strung beads. Let's take a closer look at all of this. I can remember one of the orders I placed with PotomacBeads. They sent me a free sample of something. And those beads were iris duos. And I've made some videos for those and really enjoyed working with them. So the fun part about getting a subscription box might come with beads that you don't normally have, and it will give you something fun to try. So I'm excited to dive in here. Let's see. Here are the little containers I was talking about. They screw together usually. There we go. Put some beads in here. Keep all your supplies organized. We've got some Potomac pearls. I've been wanting to try these so bad because they look beautiful online, and seeing them in person, they're really amazing. They exceed what I thought they would be. I have a 13mm toggle clasp. We're calling this an antique copper. And there's some 9mm plated bails, perfect for attaching anything you make to a necklace. And here's something new to me, plated ball pins. Instead of a head pin where the top might be flat, they have a little ball. They're really cute. I think I'll love working with them. I see something beautiful right here. These look like bicones. These are the Potomac crystal bicones. They did a great job matching these Montana bicones to the Comet pearls. That would make a beautiful arrangement. And some clear 3x4 Potomac crystal rondelles. These are a staple. They'll come in handy for everything. And it's a new bead to me again, the Eva bead. I just haven't had any. I've used chevron beads before, which are a similar shape. And the Eva beads are much more refined and thinner. And this color mix is a very Southwest jewel quality about it. Blues and purples, a little gold, bronze, very nice. We have a check glass vintage button. And if you like to do wrap bracelets, it's always perfect to have a stash of buttons. This is PotomacBeads, nylon coated stainless steel 7-strand beading wire. They're calling it beading cable. And being 7-strand, you might not think it would be that flexible, but it really does feel like it will be. We have these almost black 3mm check glass round beads. This is being called a check glass faceted round 7mm. I really thought it was a fire polish. It's quite similar. This check smooth round 4mm bead is a beautiful dark aqua color. And then there's some 5x7 check glass nuggets and some check leaves and a 9x15. The awesome part about these beads is they're all beautiful, and it might be the next thing I need for a project. Check out the description below my video. You can go see for yourself all these beautiful products. As always, have a beautiful day.